All right, we're gonna go ahead and change the gear oil out of the stern here. Show you guys how it's done. Got my pump. Let's see. Got extra oil. Gear lube. SAE 90. That's what we need. All right. Okay, here's the top one. We'll just crack that for now. We'll undo this one first. See right here? Go ahead and unscrew that. Oh shit, that was loose. Hopefully it's not dry, dude. That suck. Oh, it's not dry. Alright. Now you unscrew this one so it just dumps out. Kind of like a straw effect. Ooh. Ooh, there's water in there. Sheet on a stick. I don't see any metal shavings. That's good. Huh. Just let that drain out, and I'll show you guys how to fill it back up. All right, here we go. What you want to do is screw it down here, and we're going to fill up from this point until it overflows up here. Once it overflows up there, we know it's full. You just pump this stuff in just like that. Okay, that one's empty, so we're gonna get a new one. Pump it. Man, this thing's hungry. As soon as it overflows out the top there, that's when it's full. And we'll go ahead and cap it first, and then undo this, and then cap that. And then you're all sealed up, you're good to go. Shit. Only bought 2 of these. I don't remember it taking more than 2. Let me try to find another one. There it goes, you see it? It's coming out now. I'm gonna put this on here. Seal it up. Took 2 1/4. You always want to check for metal. This one's good. My boat's perfect. Alright, do super fast. Fuck. It's a bloody mess. Just like that. I got a little sloppy because I got these dark sunglasses on trying to record. But other than that, it's all done.